Alright, welcome back to the blog. Now I'm doing an opening box of the Blox Pitch Top Brace. When the fuck? There you go. Racing Pitch Top Brace. I already recorded pitch top, which I have here. It's the torque solution pitch top for the transmission. And I was waiting for this right here. And this is the Blox, because like I say, I tried to go the lowest price but good quality. So this is what I found. Let me show you real quick. You got everything. You got the clutch line, stainless steel clutch line. You can see say Blox right there. Look like a pretty good quality. Everything looks good. I was looking at the pairing, but it's way too expensive. Way too expensive. I'm sorry, but I'm poor. I can't afford that. So this is all the bolts and everything, zip ties, the river nuts, I think they call them. You got everything, and everything looking pretty good quality. Now this is the brace right here. Let me show you real quick. Billet aluminum, just like the pairing. It just doesn't say pairing, so it doesn't cost almost $300. It say Blox, it's cheaper. Good quality too. Ain't no plastic, solid aluminum. Here's the other part. Let me get it out. I'm sorry, I got the phone on my hand. Come on, get out. All right. There you go. That's the brace right there. I believe it should go like this. I believe it should go here on this side. And then the pitch mount should go, I believe, here like this. I don't know, in the car. That's the brace right there. Just to help the pitch top, giving some support and support to the firewall. This sticker is way too big, man. I usually put the stickers on my engine, but man, I'm really thinking about this one because this might cover the whole engine. I don't know. I might put it over there. I got a bunch of stickers over there too. But anyway, there you go. You got everything here. You bring this. I'm thinking it's the instructions. Yep, exactly what it is. Come with instructions, how to install it, how to do it. My pretty good quality. I paid 180 something, 180 something for it. Compared with the pairing, they is like almost $300. So if you're looking for a budget pitch top brace, go with Blox right here. This is what you're gonna get. And for the pitch top, I went with torque solution because it was a better looking one for me and good quality. I already got the transmission mount and I saw that it's a really good product. So now the only thing that I'm gonna tell you, it didn't broke no grease to put on the bushing. It didn't broke grease, so you're gonna have to get it yourself and put it on. But besides that, it's not bad, and the price is pretty affordable. I believe I pay, how much I pay? Like 80 for this, 80 bucks. So I'll probably be doing this style for this weekend. Oh, I bought this too. because you need to bleed the clutch line. So I went on Amazon. Hold on, give me a second. I'm sorry. Hold on. All right, real quick. All right, there you go. I went into Amazon and I bought the brake bleeder. So it brought this, and it brought the different size holes for whatever you gonna put it on. Got 3 different size, you can tell. Then this size it go connected to the clear hose right here. So then you do the bleeding process. Got this in Amazon. If you need the link, I can put it in the description. I'll probably put all this stuff in the description just in case you want to look for it. So yeah, this is the next project. Piston mount and piston brace. If you're looking to do it yourself, like I always try to do, and you have a budget, if you're a single parent like me and had people to take care of, can spend all the money on your car, there you go, right there. Blox. Anyway, subscribe, like the video if you think my content is pretty cool. Any advice, any message, any comment, whatever, just leave it on the comment below. Leave it on the comment below. Hit the bell. I'm gonna keep on loading videos. I wanna try to grow my channel so I can afford a camera. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.